All right, going back to the United Sodas of America. Back in the United States of Sodas of America. Yes, that's right. Back in the USA, the United States of America. I mean, you want to talk about the plainest cans? I remember Pathmark, and Pathmark was huge 40 years ago. And then A&P brought them and crashed them. They had a brand called No Frills. These cans remind me of No Frills. But I got sent a whole case of them. 12 different sodas. I've already tried a couple. Now here's another one. This is Blackberry Jam. And they're kind of lower calorie soda, 30 calories. So we're going to see just how good this soda is. We'll see. So we're trying United Sodas of America Blackberry Jam. Ooh, Blackberry Ram-a-lam. Ooh, Blackberry Jam-a-lam. Blackberry Jam-a-lam. Will this soda be good? Yes, indeed. Will this soda be good? Well, let's find out. Brand. Bannon. Boom, 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 boom. Brand. Sour. This soda is sour. You know, I tried those sour sodas. This soda will fit well with those sour sodas. Not an awful sour though. It's not an awful sour soda. I'm gonna give this soda a 7.1.